Hello! Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma.
And I'm Max. Thank you for joining us. We love learning with you. And before we jump in, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more fun English lessons.
Yes, and if this lesson helps you, please share it with your friends and family who are learning English just like you. Your support means so much to us.
All right, today's topic is super fun. Weather.
Yes, weather. It sounds easy, but talking about weather in English is actually really useful.
And today's weather where we live is confusing.
Very confusing.
1 minute, sunshine. Next minute, dark clouds. Then, tiny rain for 5 seconds. Then, nothing. Then, wind trying to push me down the street.
It really feels like the sky is pressing random buttons.
Let me try sunny, no cloudy, no dramatic rain. No, wait, windy mode.
So here's our first question for you listening. How's the weather where you live right now?
Is it calm, crazy, hot, cold, rainy, beautiful?
People everywhere talk about weather because we all experience it. It changes every day. It's easy to talk about. It's perfect for small talk.
If you meet someone new, you can say, nice weather today. Or, it's really cold, isn't it?
And just like that, you're in a conversation. Here's another fun question. Does weather change your mood?
For me, yes. Sunny equals Max is happy. Rainy equals Max wants soup. Windy equals Max walks like a confused penguin. Snow equals Max becomes a child again.
I really want to see the penguin walk.
It's very artistic.
For me, sunny days give me energy. Rainy days make me quiet and cozy.
Agreed. Rainy days equals warm drink plus blanket. Perfect.
In today's lesson, we'll explore easy weather words, simple weather sentences, fun small talk phrases, how to talk about seasons, funny weather moments.
Everything is simple, friendly, and great for beginners.
So grab your headphones and relax.
Because it's time to explore weather expressions and small talk habits. It's cold today.
Yes, very cold. The kind of cold that makes your nose disappear.
But yesterday, it was hot.
Super hot. The kind of hot where you walk outside and instantly regret your life choices.
Today is cold. Yesterday was hot. My body is confused.
Same here. This weather can't decide its personality.
Let's learn some easy weather words. First one, sunny.
Yes, sunny means bright and full of sunshine. Example, it's sunny today. I need sunglasses.
Next, cloudy.
Nodding. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. Example, it's cloudy. I think it might rain.
And of course, rainy.
Yes, rainy. Example, it's rainy. I forgot my umbrella. Again.
Story of my life.
Let's add windy.
Yes, windy, when the wind tries to push you around like a leaf.
That's me every windy day.
Next, snowy.
Snow everywhere, cold, beautiful, and slippery.
I always fall at least once.
I'm not surprised.
Here are very simple sentences you can use. It's sunny.
It's rainy.
It's cloudy.
It's windy.
It's snowy. It's hot.
It's cold.
See? Easy, short, and perfect for daily conversations. Listeners, try this right now. What's the weather like today?
Say it out loud. It helps your speaking. For example, it's sunny today. Or it's cloudy and cold today.
Great. Now you know the most common weather words.
Now that you know basic weather words, let's talk about something super useful in daily life, weather small talk.
Yes, the #1 conversation starter in the world. Weather is the universal, hello, how are you, of small talk.
Exactly. It's friendly, easy, and safe. And the best part? You can use it with anyone.
So, why do people always talk about the weather?
1. It's not personal. 2. Everyone understands it. 3. It changes every day, so you always have something new to say.
And 4, it saves you from awkward silence.
Yes, weather is the hero of awkward moments. Let's learn some simple, beginner-friendly phrases you can use anytime.
First one, beautiful day, isn't it?
Very common, simple, and friendly.
Next, it's really cold today.
Followed by someone saying, I know, I wasn't ready for this weather.
Classic small talk.
Another one. Looks like it might rain later.
And then you think, did I bring my umbrella? Nope.
Same every time.
Let's do a simple example.
Sure, I'll start. Cold day today, isn't it?
Yeah, freezing. I wish I wore a thicker jacket.
I know what you mean. Winter came fast this year.
And that's it. Small talk complete. Easy.
See, you don't need perfect grammar, just simple sentences.
When it's hot, you can say, it's so hot today.
And someone might answer, I know, I feel like I'm melting.
Me, every summer.
Nods. Another one? Perfect weather for ice cream.
Yes, I love that one.
On rainy days, you can say, wow, it's really raining hard.
Or, I forgot my umbrella again.
That one is very Max.
It's my signature line. Another phrase, hope it stops raining soon.
Yes, perfect for starting a conversation.
For windy days, it's so windy today.
And someone might say, I feel like I'm going to fly away.
Me, every windy day.
On cloudy days, looks a bit gray today.
And someone might answer, yeah, maybe it will rain later.
Cloudy day small talk is calm and easy.
Here are questions you can ask to start a conversation. How's the weather today? Do you like this kind of weather? Is it usually this hot here? Did you hear the weather forecast?
Or my favorite, do you think it will rain because I didn't bring an umbrella?
That's not a question. That's a cry for help.
Great job, everyone. You now know how to start conversations using weather. Easy, natural, and friendly.
Now it's time to talk about seasons and climate habits, how weather changes throughout the year.
Yes, seasons are like 4 different personalities of the planet. Winter, brr, I'm cold. Spring, hello flowers. Summer, I'm hot. Fall, leaves everywhere.
That's actually a perfect description.
Let's start with spring. Spring is warm, colorful, soft, and full of new life.
Yes, in spring, the weather is usually mild, not too hot, not too cold.
Spring weather is like the Goldilocks of seasons, just right.
That's exactly right. In spring, people often say, the weather is getting warmer, or flowers are blooming.
Curious, Emma, what's your favorite spring activity?
Probably walking outside and enjoying the fresh air.
Mine is sneezing. Spring allergies love me.
Oh, Mags. Next is summer, the season of sunshine and long days.
End of the season where Max melts. It's too hot, I'm turning into soup.
Summer is usually hot, sunny, and sometimes humid.
Some common phrases, it's boiling outside. It's so hot today, perfect day for the beach.
Yes, and people often wear light clothes, drink cold drinks, and spend time outside.
I eat ice cream every day.
That's not surprising at all. Now let's talk about fall, also called autumn. This is the season of colorful leaves, soft sweaters, and warm drinks.
Fall is my favorite. Cool breeze, orange leaves, pumpkin everything. Beautiful.
Fall weather is usually cool, windy, and sometimes rainy.
Here are some fall weather phrases. The leaves are changing color. It's getting cooler. Perfect sweater weather.
I love going for walks in fall. The air feels fresh and calm.
Yes, fall is like nature saying, slow down, take a breath. And now, winter. The season that says, phrase.
Winter weather is usually cold, sometimes snowy, and often darker earlier in the day.
In winter, I wake up and think, do I really need to go outside today?
Winter phrases include, "It's freezing today," "It's snowing," "I need a warm coat."
Winter is beautiful, but it's also slippery.
Yes, walking on ice is an adventure. Not every country has 4 seasons. Some places are warm all year. Some have rainy and dry seasons instead.
For example, some countries have monsoon season, lots of rain. Some have dry season, very little rain. Some stay hot almost all year, and others stay cold almost all year.
That's why talking about your climate is helpful when meeting people from other countries.
For example, my country has hot summers and cold winters. Or, we have a rainy season in June.
Simple sentences like these help people understand your environment and your lifestyle.
Weather changes how we dress, eat, and even how we feel.
Yes, in hot weather, light clothes, cold drinks. In cold weather, warm clothes, hot drinks.
And in windy weather, Max tries not to fly away.
And sometimes he fails.
True.
Great job, everyone. Now you can talk about seasons, climate, and weather habits with confidence.
And next, we're diving into something a little more dramatic. Extreme weather.
We're moving into the dramatic part of weather, extreme conditions.
Yes, the weather moments when nature says, surprise!
Exactly. Sometimes weather is gentle, and sometimes it's a little wild.
Or very wild.
Let's start with something common, heavy rain.
You know it's heavy rain when your umbrella flips inside out?
Yes, when the wind and rain join forces.
Useful phrases for heavy rain. It's pouring. It's raining really hard. There's a storm coming.
And in storms, you might hear thunder and see lightning.
Lightning always makes me jump like a cat.
A cat with big eyes and messy hair.
Accurate.
Now let's talk about extreme heat waves.
When it's so hot you feel like a fried egg on the sidewalk.
Yes, heat waves are dangerous and uncomfortable.
Useful phrases. It's boiling outside. It's extremely hot today. We're having a heat wave.
During heat waves, people drink lots of water, stay indoors, and use fans or air conditioning.
And eat ice cream for survival.
Of course, for survival. Now let's move to cold extremes, snowstorms or blizzards.
This is when snow falls nonstop and everything turns white.
A blizzard means strong wind, plus heavy snow, plus very cold temperatures.
One time, I opened my door and snow fell into the house like it wanted to visit.
Snow says, "Hello, I'm here."
Excited, useful phrases. It's snowing heavily. We're having a snowstorm. The roads are icy.
And sometimes the problem isn't the snow, but the wind itself. Very strong wind can be dangerous.
When it's windy enough to push you like a shopping cart.
Yes! Phrases you can use. It's extremely windy today. The wind is so strong. I can't walk straight.
That last one is definitely my life.
Some extreme weather is more dangerous, like floods, hurricanes, or very strong storms.
In English, you might hear, there's a weather warning. A hurricane is coming. The area might flood.
In situations like these, safety is the most important thing. People follow the news, stay indoors, and avoid dangerous areas.
Yes, extreme weather can be scary, but talking about it in English is easy when you know simple phrases.
Weather journey, our big review, and a little encouragement to keep practicing.
Yes, and wow, we talked about a lot of weather today. Sunny days, rainy days, windy days, snowstorms, basically Mother Nature's entire mood board.
Exactly. And now let's do a quick review together. Basic weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool.
Phrases you can use. It's sunny today. It looks cloudy. It might rain later. It's freezing. It's boiling outside.
And don't forget extreme weather words: storm, thunder, lightning, heat wave, blizzard, heavy rain, strong wind.
And the most important phrase for Max? I forgot my umbrella again.
Yes, very important. Weather is perfect for simple conversations. Phrases like, beautiful day, isn't it? It's really cold today. Looks like it might rain.
These are easy, natural, and great for meeting new people.
Spring equals flowers and mild weather. Summer equals hot and sunny. Fall equals cool and colorful. Winter equals cold and snowy.
And all seasons equal Max complaining or cheering, no in between.
True. Remember, English doesn't have to be complicated. Even simple topics like weather help you build confidence.
Yes, and you did great. You learned easy words, useful sentences, and real conversation habits.
Talk about weather every day, even if it's just one sentence. Look out your window and say, "It's sunny," or "It's cloudy today."
These tiny moments help your brain think in English.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Zen Talk English. We love learning with you.
And if this lesson helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family who are learning English too. Your support really helps our channel grow.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what's the weather like where you live today? We'd love to read your answers.